Hello and welcome to another awesome free giveaway from How to Webmaster. Today, get free PLR rights or private label rights to this package of hand-drawn social media stickers, and here they are. And you also get the PNG image files for them as well, transparent files for you to use in your content, videos, or other images. And you also get the PowerPoint file, which you can easily manipulate and edit any of these images. So for example, here you can move and like turn the heart. You can change these color for each one of these texts. So I made this a little bit more red, and you can also just mess around with the colors and move things around. You can move each one of these individually as well. You can change the color of the dress, so like you want a blue dress, green. So these are very easy to manipulate in PowerPoint, just like I'm showing you here. And again, you get private label rights to all of these editable hand-drawn sticker sets. They're transparent for you to use on your websites or anything you want, and even resell and keep 100% of the profit. Go ahead, check it out. Download link is below. There's nothing to buy. Okay, thanks a lot for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more of these freebie giveaways, tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.